Hey there, it's Mike LaFave, and I started FSBO Sherpa because when it came time to sell our own home, I was frustrated to find out that there were really only two options available to me. I could either A, list my home with a real estate agent who was going to charge 5 to 6% of my sales price, which would mean taking a healthy chunk out of my equity at the closing. Or B, I could go to Home Depot, get a sign, plant it in the yard, and see what happened. And I really felt like there should be something in between those two. What I needed was someone who had successfully done this before, someone who could guide me through the for sale by owner process. What I needed was a FSBO Sherpa. So I did sell that home. I did it without a real estate agent. I saved a ton of money. And then I did it again. I sold a second home without a real estate agent and saved a ton of money in commissions. And what I learned along the way was that the process of selling your home for sale by owner is not nearly as scary or as intimidating as I was led to believe it was. Yes, there is a process involved, and yes, there is some work involved. But what you get in exchange for learning the process and doing that work is you get to keep more of your hard-earned equity when your home sells. Now, since selling those two homes on my own, I have taught other people the same methods that I used and helped them save tens of thousands of dollars on the sales of their own homes. FSBO Sherpa is that in-between option that I was looking for. Somewhere between hiring a full-service real estate agent who's going to charge you a lot of money and putting a sign in your front yard and blindly hoping for the best. So if you're looking for someone to help you with your for sale by owner plans, somebody who's done this before, someone who has helped other people do it, please get in touch. If it sounds like it might be a good fit, we'll come out to your home, ask you to give us a tour, and then we'll help you put together a comprehensive, personalized, step-by-step list of everything you need to do to make this happen. Additionally, we're going to provide you with an extensive, comprehensive, beautiful marketing program, including photos, video, floor plans, property websites, everything you need to get your home showcased in the best light possible. And then it's on you. You do the work. You take the phone calls. You show the home. You get those offers. You negotiate, and with your attorney, you work to close the sale. And we're going to be in your corner the whole time. We're going to leave you with a very comprehensive roadmap of everything you need to do to get it done. Now, there is a cost involved. Our services aren't free, but I guarantee you that the investment you make will be a lot closer to the cost of that Home Depot sign than they will be to a 5 or 6% commission. Click that link below and get in touch with us. Who knows, maybe you're like me. Maybe FSBO Sherpa is that middle option that I was looking for when I went for sale by owner. Have a great day.